Hello, and welcome to our panel on Bodies and Structures, Deep Mapping Modern East Asian History. My name's Kate McDonald. I'm from the University of California, Santa Barbara, and I am here with my project co-director, David Ambaras from the North Carolina State University. And for the first part of our presentation, just to kick off this panel, what we'd like to do is give you a very brief overview of what we try to achieve with this digital spatial history site. And then following the presentations from our three panelists, we will return with more discussion about what you can actually do with this site. So first, let me give you information on how to access the site. The URL for the Bodies and Structures 1.0 is bodiesandstructures.org. And then we are currently in the process of putting together a second edition of the site, which we hope to release in September 21 with significant funding from the National Endowment for the Humanities. So what you'll see today is a collection of materials from Bodies and Structures 1.0, which you can see now, and then materials from Bodies and Structures 2.0, which is not yet available to the public, but will be soon. So what is Bodies and Structures? First, it's a platform for researching and teaching spatial histories of modern East Asia. Second, it's a digital environment that reflects the depth of scholarship emerging on the subject. Third, it's a collaborative enterprise. And fourth, it is an ongoing conversation.
So the key questions that we ask in our project are how we can analyze and visualize space and place as processes and products, not as an empty expanse of absolute space or a neutral container of human and non-human action. And we want to consider what ways we can express spatial relationships other than through the so-called God's eye view of the cartographic map. How can we analyze and represent the multivocality of space? Here we take inspiration in particular from Doreen Massey's formulation that space is a simultaneity of stories so far. And so we want to think about how the digital environment enables us to engage with that kind of thought process. And through that, we want to think about how all of this can help us to create new knowledge about humanity's pasts. So today, we're going to have presentations from three of our team members, Sakura Christmas, Maren Ehlers, and Peter Tilley. Each of them is contributing a module to version 2.0 of Bodies and Structures. These modules are currently under construction. They will be presenting in separate videos, and after you've watched their videos, please come back and join us as we talk more about Scalar and the analytical tools that Bodies and Structures offers.